How to delete old profile pictures on Telegram. Hi everyone, this is Kate and I'm back with new tutorial, and on today's video we will see how we can delete old profile pictures on Telegram. So without any further delay, let's get started. First of all, you have to launch the Telegram application in your mobile device and make sure that you're logged in. After that, tap on the three-line icon from the top left corner. Then tap on your profile picture. Once you land on this page, now again navigate to top right corner and tap on three dots icon. A menu box will pop up. From there, tap on the last option that says delete with a trash icon. After that, it will ask for your confirmation. It says, are you sure you want to delete this photo? So tap on delete. And with that, your profile picture is now deleted on your Telegram account. So that's how you can do it. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video helped you. If you're new to our channel, make sure to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.